How to rename video in iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how you can easily rename your video files on iPhone.
So once you
First thing
digitally
you can
just
do
like
is
this,
just
it
click
will be
on
no
or
longer
open any of the videos and just tap on this share button over here. And once you tap on this, you need to click on this option that is save to files, as you can see. Now from over here, simply choose any of the folders or files wherever you want it to be saved to. So now I will simply give it a new name and save it as in .mp4 because it's a video file. So I'll simply tap on the save at the top right corner just like this, and it should be successfully saved. Now I'll simply open up my files, which is a file explorer, and simply open the download folder. So in this case it's not showing, so I'll let me just quickly open it once again, and if it's still not showing, just head back and just click on this download section at the bottom, and as you can see my video has been set and saved to new download folder instead. And once you're inside here, just tap on the share button and click the option that is save the video option, and once you click on it, you should be heading over to your Google Photos or your gallery, and you can easily find that new video over there. So let me just quickly show you. So as you can see, like I said earlier, you just have to tap on the share button and click on the save video option. It will automatically save you to gallery. So now finally, let me just quickly show you once again, and whenever I head back to my gallery or photos, you can see there is the new video that is part 2 which I just saved, and this one is the previous video before renaming it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe channel. See you on the next one.